Hi, Vidushi.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Hi. Hi.
Okay, sorry. Hi.
Connection
I'm fine,
issue.
thank you.
Okay, so we'll just wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start.
Can we start at 3:30 sharp?
Sure, sure. Meanwhile, I'll just announce few things.
Okay. Right. 3:30 I think will be a good time. All right.
Perfect.
Let everyone join in.
Yes, okay. Okay, so guys, we'll start the session by 3:30 and we are also going live on our Facebook page. So in
Love.
case, there are people who are not able to join in and ask you for the link, you can guide them to our Facebook page. We'll be streaming live as well. And there's a box below for question and answers. You all can post your questions there and those will be addressed towards the 15-minute end of the session. And yes, so we'll just begin in a while. All right, so we are also now live on our Facebook page. Okay, so shall we begin? Okay, so meanwhile, just Ms. Vidushi Daga joins us. I would just like to brief a little about NextGenius. NextGenius is a registered charitable trust, and we look forward to life-changing leaders, students, across India from grade 12 to join our scholarship program and win outstanding full tuition scholarships to our partner universities. In the last 5 years, our partner colleges have awarded scholarships worth $20 million. And this year also, we hope to award scholarships to 100 students across India. So if you are in your grade 12 or you are in your gap year, please visit our website and register for this year's NextGenius 2020 program. And we will now just wait for Ms. Vidushi Daga to join us.
Yeah, just 2 minutes. I'm just joining you. Just a minute.
No problem. We can also see a lot of questions being posted, and we will answer them live during the Q&A session.
All right. So welcome, everyone. I'm sorry for the 3-minute delay that I have caused.
That's not an issue.
It's my fault. Okay. So tell me, Devika, can we begin?
Yes, yes.
Start by sharing my screen.
Definitely. And we hope to have a great webinar with Clone Future.
I'm sure. All my students, Devika, can we enable the chat if possible? Because just in case.
Yes, so they can feel free to type in whatever they want in the question and answer box, and I will stream all those questions live. So if you want to take the questions in the middle of the session or however you're comfortable or towards the end, we can go any which ways and you can see all the questions. I've also made you the co-host for the webinar, so you can also have an access to the administration part.
Okay, let me just share my screen. One second.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, is my screen visible, everybody? Devika, is it visible?
Yes, yes, Vidushi, it's visible.
Okay, so perfectly fine. Let us start today's session regarding Next Genius. Are we ready? Okay. So before we start, a very, very small introduction about us. So we're a team of 17 IITians, one from Stanford. A friend of mine who's from Stanford, he's also worked under Mr. Andrew Ng, who's founder of Google AI Brain, as well as Coursera. We have Abhinav Kaushik, who's the IIT Gold Medalist, and the rest of us. UNESCO, this is the biggest feather in our cap, where we proudly partnered with UNESCO all over the world, hosting the multimedia competitions. Okay, so our certificates hold a lot of value. 3 lakh students plus. In fact, in the lockdown, we have trained around more than 1.5 lakh students more. This number of teachers have gone up to 5,800. Number of schools have gone up to 2,082 schools that we have partnered with. Okay. Some of the awards, we have won the Innovative Startup of the Year award in Beijing, China. Okay, in IIM Ahmedabad, we were called for the best startup of the year. Just recently, we were called just before lockdown in Ahmedabad, in Delhi Vigyan Bhavan, and our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Ji Modi, he awarded us, in fact, with the fastest growing company of the year. These are some of the leading newspapers and media that have been covering us. We closely work, very closely work with Government of Maharashtra and now also Government of Manipur, where over here, we have been conducting various workshops. So for example, with Anti-Corruption Bureau, Mumbai Police, Maharashtra Police, Customs and Narcotics Department, and so on. Some of our supporters, we've collaborated with Ms. Manisha Singh. She is also, she works out of the office of Honorable USA President, Mr. Donald Trump. Also, in fact, Mr. N. Chandrasekaran and so on. Here also, we were called to BBC in London at the headquarters where we had to talk about our EdTech startup. And yeah, our entire team's passion is to teach. So we've been really teaching very closely a lot of underprivileged students of and also families of Indian Army. Won a lot of awards from government. We are Google partners. So over here with the Marth Foundation, we have been doing a lot of work in the rural areas of Maharashtra and Gujarat, where we are empowering women, okay, to learn online, as in they are actually learning how to sell their products online. Some of the appreciation letters by Indian Army, Government of Maharashtra and the central government. These are the few of the success stories out of the many that we have. So for example, we have Medhansh Mehta, okay. He's just 11 years old. He's created an app where he's controlling climate change, okay. At the same time, so he's making factories at the same time controlling pollution. He's also a TEDx speaker, wants to become the CEO of Microsoft, got a chance to meet Mr. Satya Nadella. All right. We also have Salil Nayak. He is, as I told you, we work very closely with a lot of, underprivileged students. He's from a BMC school, Mushti Fund High School in Goa, Panjim. 17-year-old, created an app to empower, created a website to empower women, and he has got full admission, okay, like full scholarship admission in Harvard University. Writes back to us that Viz Juniors has been a turning point in his life. Ahan Fadnes, homeschooler, 14-year-old. He won the UNESCO competitions twice. Okay, invited to the UN chapters. And Namya Joshi, she's just 14 years old. She's our alumni. And over here, she was invited by the, we all know Finland has the best education system. So invited by the government of Finland to teach the teachers how to teach with technology. Okay, she is a Minecraft expert, endorsed by Mr. Satya Nadella just recently on 25th February before lockdown in the Bangalore Tech Summit. Okay, so let us start quickly. Okay, so can Devika, is it possible to enable the chat? I want to talk to the students.
I think I'll just check just a second.
Yeah, just check. How will they reply back to me? Because I'm going to ask a lot of questions. It's going to be very interactive. And this is just the first, icebreaker
So I feel in that way, there's also an option of polling. So if you could see down in your bar, can you?
No, polling I know, but Bitter, polling is just yes or no. I just want to
Right.
enable the chat. It's not yes and no, it's about them. And
I think there is only an option to, have a question and answers round. But if you can continue, I'll meanwhile still have a check on it.
okay, so actually this was to be a chat question. 1 second. Can we enable the chat? All right, so let's do one thing, guys. Since the chat is not enabled, you have a
Yes,
Q&A.
I don't think so. There's an option to enable a chat here because
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
the upgraded version of the software. So, there's only
Mm,
Q&A and polling.
okay. Chalo, theek hai. So
Yes, I'm
anyway,
sure we'll manage.
yeah. This was to be an icebreaker thing. So I just
Okay.
wanted to get a few answers. Okay, maybe you all can answer it or maybe put it as a question in your Q&A box. So it's been a while since you and everyone here has watched cartoons. All right. So let us see how much you remember from your childhood. Okay, everyone with me? Everyone with me? You can use this. Yes. Do type it here, better. Please, I request you all to type it in. Thank you, Ridya. Okay, so bottoms up. This is round one. This is just a 3-minute game. Okay, before we start. So guess the cartoon character, not the show. Okay, not the show, but you have to guess the cartoon character based on its bottom half and quickly share your answers in the Q&A part. So this is the first one. I'm giving you all 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes, I've got a lot of answers. Thank you.
Yes.
Next one, quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, yes, lovely. This one, this is the most simplest one. I think, yes, everyone has got it. Lovely. Great chats. This one, come on, quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, yeah, I'm getting good answers.
This is very interesting.
Yes, and this is the fifth one. Okay, so there are just, all right, of course, this is, okay, I'm not giving out the answer. I think this none of us know. Do you all? Quickly. Okay, yes, good. And this one is like really simple. Okay. And the last two, this one, come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, yes, perfect. This one, 5, 4, lovely. Good one. And the last one. Okay, I think most of y'all, I just want to quickly take you through the answers. First one was Powerpuff Girls. I think most of us got it. Teletubbies, yes. Tom and Jerry, of course, a lot of us. SpongeBob SquarePants. Okay, few of them, yes, few of them, no. Pikachu, easy. Courage the Cowardly Dog. I hope most of y'all, I know most of y'all didn't get it, but it's okay. Winnie the Pooh, Popeye, Minnie Mouse, and the last one, Peter Pan. Okay, so to begin with today's session, okay, now since y'all are chatting with me, I wanted to get you chatting with me. So that's why I had this small icebreaker quiz. Okay, so to begin with today's session, for the Q&A, okay, you have to type it since there is no chat. Quickly tell me what are your academic goals. So I will have a fair idea on who is typing what. Okay.
And I think they're pretty engaged. Like many people have answered to the icebreaker.
Yes. I've got great answers. Okay. Come on, quickly, beta, everyone. I'm waiting for your replies. Yes, I've got a few. I would request if you don't keep it as anonymous and give me your name. So I'll have, okay, you're looking for a good GPA, high scores. Okay, perfect. What else? Okay. All right. Anything more? Okay, I think everybody is looking at a good GPA and high score. Okay. So next, This one is my favoriteest question. Can you quickly tell me, not 10, just give me the 5 richest or the most valuable companies in the world. I want in the world, okay, worldwide. The top richest companies. Come on, quickly. Yes, okay, yes, Pranshu, perfect. Amazon, Microsoft, and yes, I am getting a lot more, okay. Some people want to get into Harvard. Okay, beta. My next question, I would request you to answer my next question. Top 5 richest, okay, IIT, Harvard, okay. No, beta, worldwide. Reliance is not the most valuable company of the world. Yes, okay. So I think I got a lot of them. I will give you the answers now, okay. So remember earlier, data was the new oil. Okay, I mean, earlier oil companies were the richest companies of the world. And now we have data companies that are the richest companies of the world. Okay. So all the IT companies, so for example, Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft, okay, Facebook. These are the 5 most valuable brands, in fact, of 2020. Do you know what is in common? They all have to deal with data. Everything is about data. Okay, perfect. I've got great answers, guys. So keep going. Okay, now next, what are the classes you need to do to reach where you want to reach? So I've got a lot of academic goals saying that you all are looking to have your get into IIT, looking to get into Harvard. Some students have written Princeton. So yeah, I've got even Wharton University. So can you tell me what what do you need to get into the dream university of yours? Anything? Anyone? Yeah, good. Okay. All right. Nice one, Beta. Okay, perfect. So I think we've got great replies. Just a minute. I'll have to scroll a little lower. You need passion. Okay, you need fit fit JEE and SAT coaching classes. Okay, all right. Okay, so yeah, you might. Okay, but do you know, everyone, that Google, okay, Google, it doesn't have around 23% of the employees in Google currently, okay, they don't have a degree. What they have is coding skills. So next, how much help do you need from your program? So can you please tell me how much help do you need from your program? Quickly, I'm back to the chat screen, I mean the Q&A screen. Quickly. Okay, how much help do you need from your program? Okay, great help. All right, but something more? You need to concentrate. Good. You need certification and a recommendation letter. Yeah, maybe. Okay. Okay. Now, heard about community services, everyone? All right. Everyone must have heard about community services. Now I want to know, okay, how many of us, if you can write down, because we are looking and targeting for universities, you know, that are the best in the world, how many of us have done these community services so that we can stand out in the crowd? Come on, quickly. And if you can also mention the type of community service that you have done. I am there on the chat. I mean the Q&A. Quickly, quickly. Yes. Okay. Some people have. Okay, so you have taught the adults. Perfect. All right. You have done teaching in orphan schools. Okay, schools for orphanage or orphanages. Okay. All right, good. Lovely. Very nice. Okay. So I've got great. I've got around 12 people out of 103 of us who have told me that, okay, more 15. No. Okay, more. All right. Perfect. Okay, please stop. So I've got around 23 answers saying the kind of community services that they have been doing. Okay. Now, regarding scholarships, okay, we all know that because we do some kind of community service, okay, it also leads. So I will give you an example. In fact, my niece, she did a community service of organ donation. Okay, she did organ donation camps, and that's how she got. She wanted to get in University of Pennsylvania, and she was the one who was chosen. And of course, she got a good scholarship too. So community services do help. All right, internships. Do you think internships help? Everyone, please quickly just give me a yes or a no. Internships. Yes. All right, they do. Yes, I think I've got everyone typing yes, it does. All right. Okay, got it. So internships do help you when you're looking to go ahead. So now coming to the topic, okay, technology education. All right. So can you see this big tsunami coming? Okay. So we haven't yet seen what is technology education. Akshat Jain, we will definitely take your question, beta. Okay. So there is a big information tsunami, and it's everything to do about data. We just saw the 5 richest companies of the world is what? It is nothing but data companies, right? Okay. So here, mobile devices, they have already become our external brains. For the humans, they have already become external brains. And in fact, they are now the new extensions of a human being that changes us. So if you all saw the AGM of Reliance just day before yesterday, okay, did you see they came up with this glass like what Google had, Geo Glass? Okay, they how Google has a Google Glass. So similarly, now what will happen is, sorry, I'll have to share the screen with computer sound. Just a minute. Okay, just hear him. Okay, he's saying that the future is where we will blink and we will go online. We will be connected to the internet. And let's say if I go to a conference, I meet you. I again want to know about you. So I just blink and my glass will scan you and give me your entire data on my, on the lens. So here
the future. The internet is going to be in our contact lens. And when the internet is in our contact lens, you blink and you will go online. And if you meet somebody at a meeting, a conference, or a classroom, and you don't know who they are, your glasses will identify who they are and print out their biography in your contact lens.
Got it? Okay, so they will print out the biography. I'm just showing you where the world is going. Okay, we are going to be 5 billion students on the internet soon. And this is just the beginning, just the beginning. So over here, I just want to show you a glimpse in the future, okay, before we get on to how we are going to achieve these things. So are our students prepared for the jobs of future? But the most important part is 60% of the best jobs in the next 10 years haven't been invented as yet. So by the time you'll go to do a job, okay, you have to make sure that you are updated with the current skills required. Okay. So here I want to show you a few of the jobs that are going to be available to us. One is productivity counselors. So, I told you we work very closely with Maharashtra Police. So here what happened was we got a complaint, in fact, from the commissioner. He said all the time my lady police are either chatting away and the men in the police, they are all the time playing Candy Crush. So how can I make them productive? So here there are going to be productivity counselors who will make sure that you are making a difference in the office environment. Okay. Next, we have Bitcoin. I hope everybody knows what is Bitcoin. Okay. It's very, very simple. How when we go to US and dollars, when you're going to Europe, we are using pounds. The same way in internet, there is a currency which is called cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoins. Okay. I think currently the rate of Bitcoin is around $4.5 lakh. So there will be, you know, like a stock market of Bitcoin. Okay. So there will be currency speculators. There will be digital death managers. So for example, okay, beta, tomorrow I die, but my Facebook account, so let's say my YouTube account, you know, everything, my bank account, everything is still not wiped out. All right. So here there will be digital death managers. They will actually eliminate me even online. Okay. Then we have personal life log archivist. That means over here, so right, let's say from the time my son was born, okay, I've been clicking pictures, okay, until the time he is older, he'll be keep clicking and making his entire database or a life story, and it will all be stored in this tiny little chip, which is called as a life log archive. Like we will be archiving our entire life log in this chip, okay. Of course, there is digital detox camps. They have opened up even in Bangalore. All right. So here you have to, you know, it will be a device-free zone. And they're going to be unique, and it will create a difference to people who are addicted to gadgets. Privacy consultants. A lot of a lot of hacking is taking place. Okay. Because you know, these cyber attacks, the people who are doing these cyber attacks are much, like, you know, way ahead than in the current scenario. They are very, very intelligent, very smart, and they know how to crack it. So there will be privacy consultants required to, you know, set your entire security points. Last but not the least, there will be hack schooling counselors, as in, you know, students, they all love to hack. In fact, you know, in China, okay, they have made it compulsory for all the students to learn ethical hacking. They actually, I think they are building an entire cyber army. All right. So here we are looking hack schooling counselors who will help you, okay, that hacking, how do you do ethical hacking and not do the wrong type of hacking. Okay. So here, how do we go ahead with it? So before I start, I just want to quickly show you a small little video. Okay, I will take a 2-minute video, and just a minute, the quality is not good.
And when I was thinking,
okay,
I was thinking about this, one of the stories.
Okay, so she is my student, Namya Joshi. I just want to show you a 2-minute clip and just see what she has done. Okay, you will have a look.
And when I was thinking about this, one of the stories that I came across, which is very inspiring, is of Namya Joshi. She is a 13-year-old in Punjab who created course material using Minecraft, and she's now trained herself 100+ teachers around using Minecraft. And it's so great to see that through gaming you can in fact have an entire sort of set of people get attracted to STEM education. And so Namya's story, I thought, was a very inspiring way to end our sort of discussion today.
then clicked broadcast as well I received. I have written school's name from A to F, clicked on merge at the center. Same thing, and I have done a line left.
All right. So in fact, she is our student, Namya Joshi. Okay. So I would just like to quickly show you.
I get energized when I see people achieve high standards in anything. We all spend.
Okay, sorry. So I will quickly show you what we have to offer to you as an entire online school. Okay. So here we have onlinelivelearning.com. Okay, where we have courses that are there for the starters, as in we have a mix of more than 98 courses. So right from basics to internet to coding to productivity. Okay, I think we will not fall in this category. We will, if you're looking to do Python, okay, the foundation courses, there is entire Adobe suite, there is AutoCAD and SketchUp. Okay, if you're looking to, you visualize yourself as a video maker, then there is an entire video making course that we offer, includes Premiere Pro, After Effects, and so on. If you are having any hobby, of course, there are languages. We have French, Spanish, spoken English, Sanskrit. We also have a lot of art, cooking, sports, etc. The other skills that we also provide is the inter-advanced packages. So if you're looking to do complete web designing, you're looking to do an entire course on mobile app development, ethical hacking, AI, okay, filmmaking as an entire course, Java beginner to advanced, Python beginner to advanced. There is one course, project management, which will be very, very useful for you all. Okay. Also digital marketing. Okay. Now here, if you are already having any concept in your mind, because nowadays, in fact, even my son is in the 10th grade. He's from Cathedral School. Now he already has an idea and he's already looking to become an entrepreneur. Okay, so here we have an entire entrepreneurial package where you actually start by how to build your own online office. We have office management courses. Okay, there is like finance management, etc. Then how do you build your brand? It's not just about, making the product and keeping it. You have to reach out to the entire world. Okay, how do you create content? How do you create videos? And of course, later digital marketing, SEOs, AdWords, etc. Okay, we also do train a lot of institute and corporates. So let's say if you are doing graphic designing, there is a small introduction on graphic designing. Okay, after this, why graphic designing is there. Okay, how do you apply graphic designing? If you're learning graphic designing, there are few ways you can become a print designer, as in you do branding, you do logos, stationaries, etc. Okay, you can become an animator. You can look to work in any editorials, magazines, and so on. If you're looking to become a pure logo designer, you can get into advertisement. And last but not the least is UX UI designer. This is a lot in demand. Okay, so for example, how easy can I make the app for the user to use it? Okay, how efficient and how easy. So it's called the user interface that I can help the users to use it. Okay, so for us, as in for our entire student body, we have opened up 4 courses that will help you a lot in future. Okay, and I'm going to give you a slide why us. We have artificial intelligence courses where it's a 40-hour course. The trainer is Dr. Diksha Dattani. She is a PhD in computer science and an experienced data scientist. There is game development. The game development is with C++. We also teach using Unity 3D. Okay. There is Dr. Chetna Goyal, who will be teaching you game development. And of course, she's a stalwart in technology education and IT HOD of GEMS group of schools. Python coding, sorry, by mistake have interchanged it. Dr. Chetna Goyal will be teaching Python coding. Mr. Jay Sampas will be doing the game development coding. He's a graduate in game design from this university, 5+ years of experience, and he is an experienced game developer. And of course, we have ethical hacking courses where Dr. Arpit Mishra will be taking it ahead. And he is also a professor at Dev Bhumi Institute of Technology in Dehradun. Okay. Now, why us? Very, very simple. There are in-demand courses that we are offering you. We have the bestest of the best trainers. Okay, the entire trainer body is like, we have picked up and chosen them from the whole lot of the entire interviews that we have taken. Okay, the certification that we provide is very, very valuable, as we are Google partners and also UNESCO partners worldwide. So it holds a lot of value. Secondly, we also provide internships for community services. Okay, so here, if you do a good job, okay, and of course, when our HR team looks up at you, then we provide internships for community services, and we are one of the most economical in the entire market. So here, there is just for Next Genius students, okay, just for the students who have attended this webinar, we have an offer of 1+1, as in 2 students can share the same cost. Okay, so they can learn, they can share, like one friend learns, she gets along another friend, and the other friend learns for free. Okay, but you have to use the code Next Genius. All right, now here what you have to do, okay, you have to go on onlinelivelearning.com. This is a live website, you can go there. If you have any queries, just you can give a call over, sorry, you can WhatsApp here. I would request if you can take a screenshot of this, or you can click a picture. It is onlinelivelearning.com. You can WhatsApp us for queries at 7208-188-188. And you can also email us at onlinelivelearning@gmail.com. Okay, when you go there, we also have a lot of free demo lectures, lots and lots of them. Have a look, go and experience the learning, and also you can look at booking once you experience it. Okay, so now I'm opening the floor, all right, for question and answers. Devika, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I think this light is getting too much. All right, sorry.
No
So can we take the Q&A?
Yes, so I would also request students, if you all have questions, please post it in the Q&A.
Yes, and if you can tell me, everyone, how was the session, guys? Yeah, Shan, yeah, there are demo classes, better. Yeah, and yes, after completing, so there are a few questions already. First of all, after completing each course, you get a recognized certificate, as I told you, since we are UNESCO partners as well as Google partners. Okay, these certificates hold a lot of value. Of course, there are demo classes. If you want, even if you take the class, we always keep the first session for free. And if you continue, it is counted as the first session. Okay, community service. So I've got a question, what type of community service is available? So here we are doing a lot of training. Okay, so we do teach. So earlier it was like physical teaching, where we were teaching women and seniors and upgrading them with technology. But now we have these webinars, we have community service where you can teach them the tools that will be useful in day-to-day lives. Okay, demo classes, community service. Okay, so community service will be online, beta. During this pandemic, it will be online community service. I hope I have replied. So it will not be offline. You don't have to go to any place or any kind of, but it will be online, where it will be all about either teaching, showcasing your skills, and it will all be to do with helping the women and the seniors of the society. Okay. All right, any more questions? Okay, the sessions are live. They're not pre-recorded sessions, beta. These sessions, a live teacher will come and be teaching you. That's why we prefer one-on-one, and of course a friend can join in along, but only for this weekend. So here what happens is, because the teacher is in front, we also make sure that the student has learned. It's not only the certification, you must see the outcome. We have students who have built, weather forecasting tools using artificial intelligence, okay, where you can make it out whether tomorrow it's going to rain or it's going to be sunny and so on and so forth. They made AI calculators. So lots, when you will go through the projects that you will be doing, there are lots and lots of things. And we are totally, the next question is, no, beta, we are totally a practical learning, like live sessions, practical learning. The test will be taken in the end before we give you a certificate. Okay. Any more questions? Devika, can you see any more questions?
Yeah, I was just skimming through. I think you have answered all the questions.
Okay, beta. Any more questions do you all have? Just one more thing. Yes, I have answered. The sessions are live, beta. There will be a trainer and they will be teaching you live. I have also given you the names of the trainer, like Dr. Chetna Goyal. She is one of the best. We have Dr. Arpit Mishra, who himself is an ethical hacker working with the government. Okay. We have Mr. Jay Sampath. He's a game developer. And also we have, I have one more.
Yeah.
What is the code for 1+1 offer? Better just use the code Next Genius or WhatsApp me. Just WhatsApp me on this number. Yeah, I'll just put the number. One second. I'll just put the number here. Just WhatsApp me on this number. Okay, that you have taken a session on Next Genius 7208-188-188, and then we will do the needful. Okay. All right. Next question. Is any special credit given to the toppers? Beta, I didn't quite get your question. Can you rewrite it? Special credit given to the toppers. If you can just rewrite it. Yes, we do have also scholarship programs where in case, see, ultimately y'all are making us proud. Okay. So definitely we can look at it. Just WhatsApp me. I will be able to help you out regarding your query on toppers also. Okay, any other? Yeah, I've got one more. Okay. Yeah, Karthikeyan, do you want to? Okay, wait, now I can just ask to unmute. Yeah, beta, can you talk, please? Unmute yourself and talk. Sorry, please unmute again by mistake.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like I am interested in aerospace, space technologies, ma'am, and my hobbies I like video making and Python. I don't know Python, I want to learn. Do you have courses for that?
Yes, beta. Python, in fact, is our hottest selling course. Okay, because and in fact, when you're learning Python, no, we are taking you right to the level of making that snake pie game. So it's a very interesting course. Just go on the website, you see the entire details. You will see A to Z, the whole details. In fact, even the projects that you will be making. So because our entire program, why we are in so much of demand is because everything is outcome and project related. You actually work on a project. Okay, so that's why you just go on the website, have a look, take a demo class and then decide. Okay, beta?
You don't have for space, ma'am? Space.
Bit of for space also, you have to know coding, but currently I don't have any specific courses which are, space oriented.
Like designing like that, ma'am.
Like what, beta?
Designing, ma'am, designing.
No, I don't have that course. Sorry, beta.
Yes, ma'am. I'll try to join. I like
Yes.
video making, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. Okay, guys, also just one thing, can you put on the chat, how was your session? I would request for a feedback so that in future I can better myself. Okay, 1+1 offer. Yes, beta. I've answered. Thank you, Trisha. Anybody else wants to ask anything? I can definitely unmute you. You don't need to just raise your hand. I will unmute you and you can ask a query. Yes, one second. Yeah, beta. Please, Varad.
I just wanted to ask if you have any courses on machine learning.
Yes, we do. So see, if you're looking to do AI, okay, Python, then ML, and then data science, that is DS, all three we can look at doing. So when you do AI, it starts with Python coding, taking it ahead with machine learning. And then if you're only looking for machine learning, even that is possible. Okay, Bitter?
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay, how was the session, Varad?
It was great.
Thank you. Okay, Noella. Yeah, Noella, you can talk. Noella, please unmute yourself.
If there are more than 2 of us doing the session together, then is there special pricing for that as well?
Just WhatsApp me. I would love to reconsider. I will just tell my team if we can do whatever best. Don't worry. Okay, I'll make sure. But you know why we usually don't prefer 3 or more also is because some children are very good at coding. Then you will feel that it is going too slow. Some will feel that, oh, it is going too fast. But always pick a friend, okay, who is at the same level. Otherwise, make sure, because otherwise you should not be unhappy with our training. That is the main thing. And till now, touchwood, we've got 100% in fact result, and also money back guarantee is there. So till now, touchwood, 100% result is there. Okay, Beta?
And just one more follow-up question. Is it oriented at our level? So if we have done some Python in the school, then what level will it start?
Yeah, so what we will do, since it is a personalized session, we will do a counseling, a free counseling first. For that, just WhatsApp me on that number, 7208188188. Once the counselor understands, so let's say you're at level 3, for example, and we need to start from level 4, because the counselor will exactly get how much you have learned and what you have done. We will not repeat what you have done, because ultimately it doesn't make any sense. So we will start directly from level 4, and of course the commercials can be worked out accordingly.
Thank you.
Welcome. How was the session, Noella?
It was very informative. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Beta. Okay, Rushil, yeah, you can unmute yourself, please.
Greetings, ma'am.
Greetings, Beta. Tell me.
Ma'am, if I want to take an ethical hacking course, will I be taught Python alongside?
Just go on the website now, Beta. The course contents are all there. And if you want, we can do your direct counseling with Mr. Arpit Mishra. He's an ethical hacker, certified ethical hacker. You talk to him about your queries and he can help you out. Don't worry. Yeah. So what all you're looking to exactly learn, and so he will definitely help you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Rushil, how was the session?
Ma'am, it was really informative.
Thank you, Beta.
I'm looking forward to joining.
Okay. Oh, lovely. Thank you, Beta. Okay. Anyone more who would like to, please raise your hand. I will definitely unmute you. Okay. I've got. All right. Thank you, Trisha, for the lovely comment. Okay. Okay. So I think we are done. If you have any
I think
queries,
there is a student who wants to ask you.
Oh,
Karthik,
there is? Sorry. Okay, Karthik. Yeah. 1 second. Yeah, Beta Karthik.
You have centers in Chennai or Tamil Nadu, ma'am, or only on north side?
Oh, Karthik, we are in 156 cities in India. It is online what we will be teaching you, Beta, not physically. Okay. So, matlab, how I'm teaching you right now? Yes, ma'am. So, like this, the trainer will be teaching you online. In fact, we also have remotes, where when we are teaching, we can correct in your screen if you're going anywhere wrong. There is an entire monitoring process that, your progress report is made. And in the end, we do a small test, okay, before certifying you, because a certificate holds a lot of value all over the world. So we make sure that, the quality remains. That's why we do a test. And then once we certify, then you're done. Like, it is sorted. Okay, Beta?
You're like in part of Next Junior Scholarship, ma'am.
Okay. Pardon, please say.
No, ma'am, you are also Next Genius Scholarship, that category, no, ma'am. Next Genius Scholarship.
Devika, can you answer this?
Okay, yeah. So yeah, she's asking that are you a part of Next Genius Scholarship? No, Clone Futura is not a part of Next Genius Scholarship, but we have collaborated together for this amazing webinar, and we look forward to more collaborations with institutions like these, so that students like you can benefit. And Next Genius is associated, partnered with colleges in the US for the undergraduate education abroad.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Karthik. Any which ways, Next Genius Neeraj is my brother only, so that you don't worry. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, anything else? Any other question? Okay. So I think we are done for the evening. Thank you so much, Neeraj, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, Devika, for being around and hosting the entire session beautifully. Thank you to all my participants for listening patiently and most of all, replying to all the queries. Okay, really. I'm really very, very happy to be making, you all have made this session interactive and a great success. So thank you to all my audiences. Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vidushi. I think the session was great. And of course, it's a great learning that, how more and more of the world is impacted by softwares, apps, websites, and the importance of it will only, be realized in the more days to come, the importance of coding and multiple software usages. And of course, after this seminar and after the overflowing questions that I have seen in the question box today. So I feel that calls itself, it was a great profile building webinar. Thank you so much, Vidushi, for joining us.
Thank you, Beta. I request all of you, even if you're looking to have your own business in future, or even if you're looking to have a startup, make sure you know coding. Even if you're looking to learn a little basic coding, Python is what the whole world is currently talking about. It's like a world language now. Okay? And it is very simple. It's like, Devika, we are learning English. It's that simple. It's not like Java.
Yes.
So I request, so what happens if you have your own business or your own startup? Nobody is making a fool of you. You know exactly what your developer is doing. That is why I feel you should learn coding. Okay?
It's totally very important.
Yeah. Chalo. Okay. Bye, guys. All the best. Love you all. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Stay inside your homes and keep progressing in life. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Welcome.
Ma'am, thank you for a great session.
Okay, beta.